While the retail market was obsessing over NVIDIA's latest stock split, a massive shift occurred in the power structure of the AI decade. Most people think NVIDIA has already won the race. They see the moat, they see the market share, and they see the stock price. But they are missing the silent earthquake that just happened at the foundations of Silicon Valley. In February 2026, AMD and Meta announced a deal so massive it effectively redefined the meaning of strategic partnership. We aren't just talking about a bulk purchase of chips. We are talking about performance-based warrants. This is the insider secret the media is misreporting. Meta hasn't just bought a 10% stake in AMD, at least not yet. But they've signed a deal that gives them the potential to acquire up to 10% of the entire company based on performance and shipment milestones. Mark Zuckerberg isn't just a customer, he is auditioning to be a part owner. And he's not alone. OpenAI is playing the exact same game. Today, we are diving deep into AMD. We're looking at why the MI455 series chip is finally forcing NVIDIA to defend its crown, how Lisa Su is planning to defy the analysts with a 35% revenue explosion, and why the current 25% dip in the stock might be the narrative shift investors have been waiting for. We're saving the complicated math for the finale. Grab your coffee, let's clear up the confusion on the Meta deal. This is a brilliant move by Lisa Su. By using performance-based warrants, AMD has essentially given Meta a massive incentive to make AMD's hardware successful. If AMD hits specific shipment milestones for their rack-scale architecture, Meta gets the right to purchase up to 160 million shares. This turns Meta from a buyer into a partner. Why would Meta ever switch back to NVIDIA if they have a multi-billion-dollar incentive to help AMD dominate? This mirrors the silent partnership AMD established with OpenAI in late 2025. These two giants, the leaders of the LLM movement, are effectively building a 6-gigawatt fortress around AMD's future production. They aren't just looking for chips, they are looking for pricing power. NVIDIA has the luxury of 80% margins, but for Meta and OpenAI, that luxury is an AI tax. Every dollar they save by utilizing AMD's aggressive pricing is a dollar they can reinvest into training Llama 4 or GPT-5. AMD is the only company on Earth with the scale to give the biggest buyers an alternative to the NVIDIA tax. Stop waiting for Wall Street to tell you what to think. While analysts play it safe with 20% projections, Lisa Su is calling for 35% growth, and she has a history of over-delivering. That 35% is our anchor, and it's backed by a massive reality check. 8 of the top 10 AI giants are already running on Instinct GPUs. AMD's pricing power isn't just a theory, it's a tsunami. As we speak, AMD's share price is sitting around $198. That is a roughly 25% downtrend from the all-time highs of $264. For the short-term trader, this looks like a failure. For the long-term investor, this looks like a compression. The stock currently trades around a 75 trailing 12 months PE ratio. While that sounds expensive to a value investor, we have to look at the earnings potential. AMD ended fiscal year 2025 with a record $34.6 billion in revenue and an EPS of $2.65 per share. The narrative has cooled, but the fundamental execution has actually accelerated. While the market was punishing the stock for guidance that didn't meet the highest rumored numbers, the deals with Meta and OpenAI were being finalized in the background. The gap between the price and the fundamentals could be an opportunity. Before we get to the fun part, please don't forget to like and subscribe, as these videos do take many hours to put together for you and would be very appreciated. Alright, let's get on with it. Forget the guarantees, on this channel, we do math. Using the Lisa Su's 35% growth targets, here are my personal estimates for 2030. Again, do your own research, this is not financial advice. Step 1. The revenue empire. Starting at $34.6 billion in 2025, a 35% annual growth rate scales AMD into a $155 billion powerhouse by 2030. Step 2. The earnings power. Growing our $2.65 base at that same 35% pace
puts the 2030 EPS at approximately $11.88 per share. Step 3. The valuation reality. We'll assume the AI mania cools, dropping the PE from a 75 to a modest 50 multiple. The final 2030 calculation? $11.88 EPS multiplied by the 50 PE could put the stock around $594 per share from the current price of $198. Hitting $594 represents a 200% total increase, or a 25% CAGR. This trajectory depends on AMD hitting those 35% targets and the market maintaining that 50 multiple. While semiconductor cycles and geopolitical risks are real, this could potentially be an opportunity for some. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That's all I ask. Thank you.